Welcome back, and we're moving to this this assembly drawing configuration and general assembly drawing creation. So since we've done the numbering, and now we can just move to this step. So I forgot just to put this first prior to this. Now we're going to, I want just to show you how we can create assembly drawings or how to configure assembly drawings, then creating assembly drawings from your model. Let's switch to Tekla Structures environment by clicking on that button. So we'll just do one column. So check or to see if our column is fully assembled. I'll press Alt on my keyboard and select on this. So you can see everything is selected. So if I come here and come to show only selected, give it some time, you can see it's showing only this one, this assembly. It is showing this only this assembly, and you can see that on whatever you're seeing is this the entire assembly of this column. The rest has been grayed off. So what we're seeing is this. So let's switch back to where we were and just go straight and create drawings. So let me just click interrupt that command, right click and redraw, and we go back where we were. Now let me press Alt right there. And once I've pressed Alt, I'll right click and come to create multi-drawing assembly. Or we can come to drawings and component here and come to drawing properties. So you can pick assembly drawing, GA drawing, multi-drawing, drawing layout editor, drawing layout editor, drawing layout editor. Well, I'll brief you about that if we forget time, though is not within the topic, but we can always expand further as long as you get something. So we have options under drawings and properties. So this one is always the first way to do it. So I'll show you, we'll just use this one, create drawings. Then we have single part drawings, assembly drawings, single part drawings with layout, assembly drawings with layout. Now, let's pick this one of these. Let's pick this one and assembly drawings with layout. Let's see. Let's begin with the first one though. I'll click that. So we get some time to process that information. So the information is being processed. And if we see that bell, seems something has been done. You can see 2 drawings created successfully. Surely, yes. Then I'll come to document manager. This way you get where all the generated drawings enlisted inside here. So just click on that and give it some time to process that information. And if I maximize this and drag this, I had created some drawing previously. This is 2025. And today, what's the date today? Today is 16th, not 16th. Today is 26th. So what I have here is GA drawing. So let's switch to assembly drawings. So I've just created, you can see the assembly drawings is here, 1201 and 2026. So if I double click here and check the drawing which has been created, I'll give it some time and probably minimize that. It's massive. It's a lot. It's a lot of information here. It's a lot of information and it's jumbled up, and this is kind of messy. But not messy. So we can see something there. And if we double click here and come to layout here, and we can always try to do something. We can always try to do something. And maybe we want to maybe use that and push that aside, and we can go ahead and click modify and give apply and close. So let's see what's happening. You can see we have so many details that we don't need. So the key thing, you can see we have this. So a reason why you see this, I had downloaded some settings for title block and that's why it's picking this. So that should not worry you. You can always pick a different one by coming there and picking. Maybe you want maybe assembly. Let's try that and click apply and see how it's turning out. That's a different one. Let me double click on that and come here and maybe try this and click modify and see how that is turning out. So have this in place. So my title block hasn't configured properly, but though I'll set it later on. But this is how you create everything here. You can see we have the drawings here, but how it appears, it's not nice. Let me just double click inside here. And if I come right here and pick on the titles, layouts, view creation, sections, and that. Click inside, double click inside, and what I want to have some several templates here, and maybe we can always try one and I'll click apply, modify. Just play with this. These things are here to for you to try everything, apply and give it an okay. So you can see I have a different view in place with some details, but with some information. But this is very simple. Just translate this. But once I rectify all this, it will show properly. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just to delete any any dimension that is not making sense to me. Let me just delete everything here. Let me just delete everything because I'm getting too much information that I need that I don't need. Don't need that information. I don't need this information. Don't need that dimension. I don't need this in dimension. Don't need all these dimensions. I don't need all these dimensions. Perfect. Let me just get rid of this. All these dimensions we don't need. What we're doing just combing it out so that we see the actual information given to us. So let me just get rid of that, get rid of that. So get rid of this. So that one we can just leave. Perfect. So this can be taken slightly away and you can drag this to that and you can drag that to that. So at the bottom end here, we don't need all this information. We'll only put what is necessary or leave what is necessary and do that. So this is a column we have, and I'll double click here. So once I've double clicked there, I have some options here, attributes or maybe parts. So you can see some hidden members here. What I can do is just turn them off and click apply and click close. So the hidden parts have been gotten rid of. Just double click, and if I come somewhere here, or just double click there, double click inside, and that's it. We don't need to do. We don't need much. We don't need much. Part and that. So this is where we are. And the key part we wanted is just this member, the column And I think the parts remaining you can just get rid of, because what we have is just more than necessary, and you can just get rid of that, and we can only entertain the single parts that we see here, all these single parts we have here. So you can always pick them and drag them inside. Or if you can if you pick a layout there, and you can change this layout to maybe specified size, and maybe pick A1 and click apply and give it an OK. Let's see if everything fits in. Everything slightly fits in. And let me just double click on it once again. Double click once again and come to maybe A2 and click apply, give it an OK, and see if everything's not fitting in. A0, apply and give it an OK, and probably everything fits in. The paper is big, but the key part is just you've seen how this is done. So we don't need to go so much. The key point is just to show you the basics on how you can create your drawings in Tekla structures. You can see all the details, all the measurements about that one single column is this. The total weight is why it's 196.2 kilogram. So that's all about drawing creation. And let's meet then. Bye bye.